and welcome to Mickey Art. Today I am doing something rather special. I've decided I don't like the way these dry. I have done lots of testing with them. I got some funky stuff and I got some not so funky stuff. So decided to use them all up in one big mother of a pour. So what am I pouring on today? That is a secret. But the thing that we do need to do is add quite a bit of silicone. Oh, you guys are going to think this is dodgy. The silicone I use is Durex Play Perfect Glide. And it is a, what do you call it? It's dimethicone. It's a personal lubricant. Now what's weird about using a personal lubricant in this particular pour? I'm pouring on my son. I know, I'm weird, I pour on weird things, but I have seen somebody else do a pour on a person, and it was a beautiful lady who we'd obviously, you know, employed to be the beautiful ballerina-y type person, and it was lovely and stuff. But this one is me being me, having fun with my family. So I've got my husband on camera, I've got my son being my model, my other son is not wanting anything to do with it. And I'm going to use all this paint up. How much fun can we have with this pour, guys? I have a lot of paint, a lot of silver especially. Whoops. Pouring from up high. Let's use it all up. Oh, sorry, I'm bumping a lot. I think that is everything. It's probably, there is more silver, but so we have lots and lots of colour, lots and lots of silicone, and let's go see what we can do. Yay! So here's my gorgeous model.
Hello.
How did I get so lucky? Yay! And my wonderful husband is on the other camera. Just keep your eyes closed. It's not going in your face. It's only going on your body. How does it get any better than this? So we've got two cups of paint.
Oh, hang on, manual zoom.
Manual zoom. Whoop. There we go. Are we ready for this demo? Yes, it probably will be cold. Alright,
yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
It's cold.
And it's super cool. That is awesome. Stay still, mate. Stay still.
Oh my god.
Stay still. It looks amazing. Oh, wow. Very cool. Awesome, awesome, awesome. You got that shot.
Get the blowtorch now.
You get the.
Oh no.
I think the sun's a good enough blowtorch. Stay there, buddy.
Lie down.
Want some
Lie here
close-ups.
back. Yeah, that's really wicked.
Relax. It looks like a
Singlet.
It looks like a armour
Vest.
Yeah. Don't just go to war. Go fabulous!
Oh my god.
Wow, look at this, guys. This is just delicious. Thank you so much for being my model, Damien.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cool. Oh my, it's going under your arm. Hairy armpits. Oh, keep away from the nipple, it might get demonetised.
No, it's okay, it's a boy's nipple, not a girl's nipple.
Oh, yep, good point. Oh, I wonder what those streaky things are. That's weird. Oh, over here too.
That's cool.
That is super cool. Alright guys.
Now, Damo,
Damien.
stand up, slowly.
Oh no, hold on.
Oh, no,
Stop,
wait,
stop, stop.
Just an idea.
I just want some photos first. I want some close-ups. Because some of this is just stunning.
It's brilliant with the sunlight on it too.
Yeah.
In hand shadow.
You're awesome.
Don't.
Alright, hold on, let me get the video going. Alright, stand up, dude.
Put your head up.
Head up, let's have a look.
Yeah, it's changed
Smile
today,
for the
eh?
camera. That's awesome.
What shape have you left behind? Yeah, that's pretty cool too.
my back.
Yep.
Wow. So pretty. So pretty.
Hasn't quite given you wings.
Ah, wow.
Look at
Dude,
the front now.
that looks amazing. Look at the front now. Yep, 3D objects that just don't last.
Still going down.
Stand up
Make your
straight.
Underwear.
Yeah.
Keen. I can't quite see it catching on as a body paint trend though.
No.
There's some beautiful bits.
Look at my belly button.
Belly
button.
Everybody's coming to get you. Oh, look at this.
It's like grips on my underwear.
Yep.
Oh my god, there's paint on my hands. And this has just been completely engulfed in paint. Mum, this has just been engulfed in paint.
Yes, it looks like you've been rubbing dirt under there. Alright,
Time for the water blaster.
time for the mummy cuddle.
Hug.
Selfie shot. Selfie. Change. Awesome. Thank you, darling. Give me a kiss. Mwah. I adore you. I am so grateful. And now let's go find the host.
Over there.
That could be fun. I think we might video that.
I'm ready.